It is Grilog here. We have the Wolf of Falls Creek with us. We are going boarding right now.
Falls Creek. Where is our helicopter? We are taking a helicopter from Falls Creek today to Mount Hotham.
Choose between becoming a snowboard pro and a skate pro. How is that? I choose snowboarding. You wanna hear a fun fact about Grilog? He was the third person who did all 900s on snowboard.
3, 2, 1, girls wanna have fun. If the man.
Pretty cool guy. Snowboard quiz time. Hit me open. First ever 1620. Alright. Back road tonight. Was it you? David Benedict. Never say that I look tired, ever. Never tired. The BMW slogan is, we make every trip an experience.